Okay, so this recording will explain how to use Adobe Scan in order to create a PDF document. I've tried Genius and Adobe. I prefer Adobe, but it does require when you create your account, it does require that you give it access to your Google Drive. So it does require a little bit more on the front end. So here we go. Here I am in my phone. And here's my Adobe Scan app. I have a Droid, so that's the app, that's the screen I get. On iPhone, you get more of a little camera. So click that. I've already installed it and gave myself a username, password, so on. So here I am in Adobe Scan. What it's looking for is edges of your document. Right now I'm too close on my camera, so it's looking and it can't find it. So you want to put your document somewhere that is clearly edged. So if I move up my camera now, so I'm moving up my camera, and you'll see these blue dots. So the blue dots are the edges, and then Adobe's like, okay, I think that's it. I'm finding it. There it is. I can actually crop this out by clicking and dragging like the corners and so on, but generally, you know, generally it's pretty good. So it should pretty much copy your document. Now this is 2 pages. So if I want to do 1 page, I'm just done. I hit continue. So I'm going to hit continue, and I'm saying, okay, you know what? There's another page here. It's looking for the document, can't find it, can't find it. Get out far enough so for it to find it. And it got a little bit overexcited here, so I'm going to hit retake because I wasn't far enough out for it to get the whole document. So now it'll say hold the phone steady. It'll take the edges, okay? Then what I'm going to do is hit continue. Now I'm in here and I'm done. So I'm done with what I'm doing. I don't have any more pages, so I want to click the little box down here with the pictures and it's 2 page. So I click that, and then it'll show you your PDF document. The name is defaulted to Adobe Scan and the date. So this says Adobe Scan October 15th. I would strongly recommend you do not save that. So I'm going to basically go in here and change my file name. So I might change it to notes, rationals. If it was homework, you know, homework 3.1, secondary math, whatever, something that makes sense to you so you can find it again. So now it should have changed my file name to what I chose. Now I'm good. Okay, so I want to save this PDF. So you click Save the PDF, and it's saving it. It saves it to the Adobe Scan website. And then you have some different options you can do, right? Here we are, different options. It'll show you a list of other things you've scanned, okay? It's always going to upload it to the Adobe Cloud because that's what you said when you signed in. But what I want to do now is share. So when I'm sharing, okay, there's some options. And the one I'm going to choose, you can email, you can link. So link just links to the document. I want to share a copy of this thing. So what I want to do is share a copy, and then you get a long list of things I want to share to. And what I'm going to share it to is my Google Drive. So basically what this is going to do is create a copy of this right on your Google Drive. By the way, if you actually have Canvas Student installed, you can go right into Canvas right here and submit this file as your homework. So you don't have to go through the step of going to your Google Drive if you've installed Canvas Student on your phone. So, but I haven't done that because it won't let me do that because I'm a teacher. So I need to just put it in my drive. So I'm going to say save to drive. I can, once again, I can change the name if I want. And then it's going to give me a default folder. Okay, if you've done this before, it defaults to the last folder you used. If I don't want this folder, I can click on it. So I'm clicking on it, and now it's showing me my Google Drive. So I can hit the back arrow over here. So now I'm in my your main folder, okay? And like I told you guys, I created a folder called Math. So I've got all my folders in here. Like I suggested, I would have one for each class. So maybe English, science, chemistry, physics, whatever, math, okay? So then you would click on your math folder. All right. So I'm just going to click on, okay, so I'm going to say this is my good folder. I'm going to select it. It'll tell you the name of the folder right there that you selected, so you can make sure. If it's not right, just click again, do it. Once you've got it in the right place, you hit save, and it will send it right to your Google Drive. From Google Drive, then from Canvas, so if you don't have Canvas Student on your phone, from Canvas, when you go into Canvas and you say submit, you can basically just go to your Google Drive, to your math folder, and click on this file and submit from there. So that's basically what you need to do, either Genius or Adobe Scan. If you use Genius, you're going to have to take the email and put it in Google Drive and then upload it. So I would recommend Adobe Scan as an easier program. Good luck.